The networking industry is continuing to evolve and promises to bring exciting changes with increased adoption of next-generation networking technologies. Security and privacy continue to be at the forefront of IT decision-makers' minds, while cloud, automation, and DevOps promise to help with scalability, rapid deployments, and efficiency. Students who understand the emerging technologies of today's networking environment will be equipped to succeed as they enter the workforce and begin their careers. The Juniper Networks Academic Alliance Program is an industry academic partnership that provides faculty and students with highly relevant instructional materials, hands-on labs, and even the opportunity to earn an entry-level Juniper certification. The JNCAA program provides a unique digitized learning platform with content that can help your university and students take part in the networking industry. With a simple and no-cost engagement model, interested colleges and universities can become part of the program in just a few minutes. There is no contract for most members and no costs associated with joining the program. Member benefits include free certification vouchers, access to on-demand courseware, and cloud-based lab access.
The materials provided by the Academic Alliance enable a lot of independent learning and pair very well with our hands-on training courseware.
I find the integration of the Junos operating system being a valuable addition to the skills learned in my class.
We offer an expanding curriculum focused on SDN and automation, and students will gain hands-on experience with one of the world's leaders in automated, scalable, secure networks. As the industry changes, we continually update our program to provide our members access to the latest innovations in networking technology to complement college training and to help prepare graduates for a successful career.
I find that Junos is very easy to use because it is based on the Unix command line interface, making it seem very familiar to anyone who has just picked it up.
The Juniper Academic Alliance have been able to provide us the flexibility to integrate the materials that we consider proper to our academic offering.
Explore Juniper Networks Academic Alliance program and take advantage of our learning platforms and resources to provide your students with access to industry-leading technologies and prepare them for their future careers.